I found the community tools. We were looking for ways to be able to just do things a little simpler. But I read something that somebody had posted out there about these right-click tools, and I was like, oh, well, what is this? And with all the great, right-click, just go to see $. I mean, just something simple like that saves, over the period of a day, saves forever.
It may be simple, but the thing is now it's amazing. Like even our desk side folks, they freak out if for some reason they can't use their right-click tools. They feel like they can't do their job. Well, that's a pretty powerful thing. It's one of the few things that when it comes up, it's just like, why are you asking me this? Yes, we're renewing. Yes, apps. There's not a question. So it's been a part of our success. I use it on a daily basis. It's not like one of those things that you're saying, I kind of use that tool here and there. It's a tool that you use on a daily basis.
As far as I know, there is nothing else out there that competes with it.
No.
So, and quite honestly, I haven't even looked for anything over the last 5 years.
I was going to say, that's another thing that tells you about if something's good or not, it is when you're not looking, right? Our server patching has went from 70% success. We're like at 99.9, and I'm not just saying that, we do that well. You just took something that you wouldn't find out until after the fact, and now we're being, proactive. So, if you think about it that way, the tool is helping us be proactive with a lot of our day-to-day tasks, month-to-month tasks, year-to-year tasks. It's because we can actually utilize the product, and it really does, work. It's kind of like one of those things, if you have bread, you put butter on it. If you have SECM in a hybrid environment, you use Recast tool.